Did you know that relaxing lo-fi music channels on YouTube are quietly earning thousands of dollars every single month? One of the biggest examples is LoFi Girl, a channel with over 15 million subscribers, just 280 videos, and an incredible 2.4 billion total views. In the last week alone, it gained over 24 million views, and on average, it earns up to $86,000 per month, all from simple looping animations and chill background beats. But here's the exciting part. You no longer need to be a musician or learn music theory to create something like this. Thanks to AI, you can now produce lo-fi style tracks and videos completely from scratch using smart creative tools. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your own lo-fi music channel using MusicGPT and a few other free AI tools. Let's start with the basics. MusicGPT is an intelligent music generator that works just like ChatGPT, except instead of writing text, it creates original songs, beats, sound effects, and even voice tracks, all from simple prompts. You just describe the mood or vibe you want, and within seconds, it generates professional quality music you can use in your videos. The best part, it's beginner-friendly and offers a free plan that lets you create up to 10 tracks per month, which is more than enough to get started. To get started, open your browser and go to musicgpt.com, or simply click the link in the video description below. Create a free account and log in using Google or your email. When you sign up, you'll receive 500 free credits, enough to create up to 10 tracks per month. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean, simple interface with a text prompt bar and options to adjust genre, mood, and instruments. Type something like chill lo-fi beat, soft piano, vinyl crackle, late night vibe. Make sure the instrumental option is on, then click generate. After a short wait, you'll receive 2 original lo-fi tracks. Listen to both, pick your favorite, and download it in high quality. Just like that, you have your first AI-produced beat ready for your channel. Now let us create the visuals. You will need a cozy background image that captures the classic lo-fi atmosphere. Free tools like Flux AI or Leonardo AI are perfect for generating artwork. In the prompt box, type something like anime-style bedroom, warm lighting, girl with headphones studying beside a window at night. Cinematic composition. Generate a few variations and select the one that best fits the mood of your channel. Once you have your favorite, save it to your device. This image will serve as the base for your animation. Repeat this process to generate the remaining images according to the story of your generated track. Each image can reflect different moments or moods in your lo-fi sequence, making your video more dynamic and engaging. Next, let us bring these images to life. Go to vheer.com, a free image-to-video generator that offers unlimited generations and, best of all, no watermark. You will find the link along with other tools mentioned in the video description. Upload your AI image and write a short motion description, such as camera slowly pans across the room, soft rain falling outside, light flickers gently. Alternative, you can let AI generate the prompts for you. Click Generate and wait for the system to animate your image. In less than a minute, you will have a video clip that looks like a hand-drawn animation. Download it and save it for the next step. Continue this process to animate the remaining images, and make sure to organize all your clips neatly in the same folder for easier editing later. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open CapCut on your desktop or mobile device and start a new project. Import the animated clips you created earlier, along with your lo-fi track generated using MusicGPT. Place the audio track first on the timeline, then add your video clips above it. To make the visuals match the calm rhythm of the beat, select all the clips and slightly reduce their speed for a smoother, slower motion. If you want to create a longer loop, simply duplicate your clips until the video reaches 30 minutes or even an hour. Longer videos usually perform better because viewers tend to play them in the background while studying or relaxing, which increases your total watch time and ad revenue potential. You can also enhance your video with subtle effects. Head to CapCut's effects section and add overlays like gentle snowfall or a soft light flicker. Adjust the intensity until it feels natural and cozy. Play back the full video to make sure everything flows perfectly with the music. Once you're happy with the result, export your project in full HD or 4 Kelvin's quality. Give it an inviting title such as LoFi Rain Study Beats, Relax and Chill to AI Music 1 hour. Before uploading, make sure your metadata is optimized for search engine. Write an SEO-friendly description and include keywords like LoFi music, study beats, relaxing background music, and AI-generated LoFi. Design a clean thumbnail that matches your brand, something cozy, warm, and anime-inspired to draw in clicks. Finally, stay consistent. Upload once or twice a week to build momentum, as lo-fi audiences love new playlists and fresh vibes to listen to every day. But that is only the beginning. You can use MusicGPT in many other creative ways beyond just lo-fi music. Let's explore a few powerful examples together so you can see how flexible this tool really is. First, let's create background music for podcasts or voiceover projects. In the prompt bar, type something like soft ambient background music, minimal instruments, calm and warm tone. MusicGPT will generate smooth and balanced audio that sits perfectly under spoken dialogue. This feature is ideal for podcasters, YouTubers, and content creators who want professional quality background audio without worrying about copyright. It helps keep your tone consistent across episodes and builds a strong audio identity for your channel. Next, generate original songs or AI covers and fully monetize them. For example, you can type upbeat pop track with female vocals, summer mood, catchy chorus.
Sunrise lights up my day. Beach towel spread on the bay. Feet in sand after it.
You can also create complete songs using your own lyrics. To do this, start by telling MusicGPT the genre or mood you want for your track. For example, type something like, create a slow acoustic version of these lyrics with male vocals. Next, click on the lyrics option. You can either let the AI generate lyrics for you or paste in your own original words. Review everything to make sure it fits your vision, then click Generate to produce your song. In just a few moments, MusicGPT will compose a full track with vocals and instrumentation.
The nights were long, the road was cold, dreams felt heavy, hope felt old. I stumbled hard, but I still stood, 'cause losing never felt that good.
This feature is perfect for musicians, singers, and content creators who want to explore new genres, test ideas, or turn their written lyrics into polished songs in minutes. Now, let's generate a cinematic soundtrack. In the prompt box, type cinematic instrumental, emotional strings, slow tempo, hopeful atmosphere. Within seconds, MusicGPT composes an original score that feels like a film soundtrack. This is perfect for indie filmmakers, animators, and game designers who need custom music to match their visuals but do not have access to a composer. It gives your projects emotion, pacing, and depth while saving you time and cost. MusicGPT has other powerful features that make music creation faster and more productive. The sound generator lets you instantly create unique sound effects or samples for your videos, games, or podcasts. No recording needed. Text-to-speech turns any written line into a natural voice, perfect for quick voiceovers or demos. With Remix, You can transform any song into a new style or add fresh lyrics in seconds, great for experimenting with different genres. Replace helps you swap out specific parts of a song, like vocals or instruments, to refine your track without starting over. Finally, Extend allows you to continue a track beyond its original length, helping you expand ideas and build complete songs effortlessly. For video editors and sound designers, the sound generator is a powerful time saver. It lets you create custom sound effects for any project with just a single prompt. Try typing something like soft rain falling outside, footsteps on gravel, or distant police sirens. MusicGPT instantly produces realistic, high-quality sound textures that fit your scene perfectly. Here are the sound effects I have generated. This feature helps you enhance immersion and emotion in your videos or games without wasting hours digging through royalty-free sound libraries. And here's something even better. Everything you create with MusicGPT is completely safe for commercial use. That means you can upload your songs, beats, or soundtracks directly to platforms like Spotify, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, and start earning from your creations. Your music is 100% copyright-free, so you can monetize it confidently on streaming platforms or even use it for client projects, school presentations, games, and websites. With a MusicGPT subscription, you unlock full access to unlimited generation and commercial rights, turning your creativity into a real source of income. With all these tools combined, MusicGPT becomes more than just a music generator. It is a complete creative studio powered by text. Whether you are making podcasts, videos, animations, or music releases, you can turn simple ideas into professional quality sound within minutes. The possibilities are endless, and every track you imagine can come to life in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Alex Best Digital for more step-by-step guides and free AI resources. You'll find the link to MusicGPT and all other tools mentioned in the description below. Start creating your own relaxing AI soundscape today. Who knows, your next upload could be the next.